In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Secure VPN app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to get the right Secure VPN app on Android, you need to go ahead and look for this app called Play Store on your Android smartphone. This is a pre-installed app. You should have it on your phone. Go ahead and tap on it. Now this will take you to this interface. Go ahead and tap on search bar here to search for your app by name, and if you can see the search bar, you should see a search icon down below. Go ahead and tap on it and then just search for your app by name like this, and then tap on search here, and here you should see we have our search VPN app here. If you open it, you can see we have Secure VPN Safer Internet app. It is from Security Signal Niche. This is the company that produced this app. At the time of recording this video, this app has a star rating of 4.8 with over 2 million reviews. And currently, this app has over 100 million downloads. And currently, the file size is not big. It is just around 6.1 MBs. And currently, this is the logo for the app. With these details, you'll know that you have the right app. Now you can go ahead and tap on it to install. Now this will go ahead and download the latest version of Secure VPN app on your Android smartphone and then install it. Then proceed by opening it from here, or if you go back to your apps and open, now you should see we have your Secure VPN app here. If you tap on it, here is the welcoming interface. Go ahead and accept the terms, and this is the welcoming page you will interact with. So that's how you can download the right Secure VPN app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.